This is a bookbull summary of the book Outliers by Malcolm Gladwell. Have you ever come across a biography of a successful person where achievements are solely attributed to luck? It's unlikely, right? We tend to believe that successful individuals have earned their success through talent and hard work, but this notion of the self-made man is a myth. In reality, success stories are influenced by many unseen factors that are beyond the individual's control. These factors can range from socio-economic status, access to resources, and even just being at the right place at the right time. Ultimately, Outliers offers a fresh perspective on success, highlighting the complex and multifaceted nature of achievement. Challenging the myth of individualism and acknowledging external factors in achievements. In Outliers by Malcolm Gladwell, the author explores the cultural myth of the self-made man and how it shapes our understanding of success. Gladwell challenges the idea that success is solely based on individual effort and innate abilities, and instead argues that it is heavily influenced by external factors that are often overlooked. Gladwell points out that our culture tends to celebrate individuals who achieve success through their efforts, and that we often attribute their accomplishments to their innate talents. However, he argues that this view is flawed and fails to take into account the many external factors that contribute to success. As an example, Gladwell highlights the case of Jeb Bush, who ran for governor of Florida and touted himself as a self-made man. However, Gladwell notes that Bush's success was heavily influenced by his family background and social connections. This illustrates how external factors can play a significant role in determining success, even for outliers like Bush. Gladwell argues that our culture places too much emphasis on individualism and ignores the impact of external factors such as family background, culture, and timing. By acknowledging the role of these factors, we can gain a deeper understanding of what it takes to achieve success and develop a more nuanced view of successful individuals. Overall, Outliers challenges the myth of the self-made man and encourages readers to consider the many factors that contribute to success. By doing so, we can gain a greater appreciation for the achievements of outliers and better understand the complex nature of success. Why reaching a certain threshold is crucial for success. Malcolm Gladwell believes that certain qualities that foster success, such as height in basketball or quantitative intelligence in academics, have a threshold. Reaching this threshold is necessary, but not sufficient for success. Further improvements in these qualities may not guarantee success, as related skills and traits, social connections, or even luck can play a bigger role. For example, affirmative action policies in law schools allow minority students to enter with lower entry requirements, but postgraduate success reveals no difference between them and their white classmates. If you're finding this video to be enjoyable, show your support by liking it and subscribing to my channel for even more fantastic content. Your encouragement means everything to me and drives me to keep creating videos for you. Achieving world-class mastery demands more than just talent. While talent is important, achieving mastery in any field takes a lot of hard work and practice. Take the example of Bill Gates, who spent countless hours learning computer programming, or the Beatles, who spent years performing on stage to become world-class musicians. According to research, to achieve world-class mastery in any field, you need to put in at least 10,000 hours of practice. However, not everyone has the opportunity to dedicate this amount of time and resources to their craft. To begin with, one needs to start early to get ahead of the competition. Additionally, resources such as financial support and access to state-of-the-art equipment can be a limiting factor. Encouragement and support from family, friends, and mentors are also essential. While some individuals have all these resources, many others do not. This lack of resources may prevent them from achieving world-class mastery in their chosen field, despite having talent and potential. Relative age matters more than you think. Relative age, or how old you are compared to others in your group, can significantly influence your success in life. In Canada's youth hockey leagues, where the annual cutoff is January 1st, children born in December compete against kids almost a year older, creating an unfair advantage. This cumulative advantage leads to coaches favoring older players, contributing to why many professional Canadian hockey players are born in the first half of the year. Annual age-based groupings in sports and schools can create unequal opportunities and affect a child's self-esteem. Even small age differences can have a significant impact on a person's life, highlighting the need to address relative age. The importance of upbringing. Natural abilities alone don't guarantee success. After reaching a certain level of expertise, practical intelligence and social skills become more important for achieving success. Children from wealthier families tend to have an advantage as they are taught practical intelligence and are encouraged to demand respect from authority figures. On the other hand, children from poorer families are less likely to be taught these skills, which hinders their chances of success. The role of birth year. It's not just natural abilities and opportunities that determine success. The year one is born can also have a significant impact on success. For instance, software billionaires such as Bill Gates, Steve Jobs, and Bill Joy were born at the right time to take advantage of the rapidly changing software industry. They had access to the right computer models and were at the right age to take the huge risks necessary to succeed. Being in the right place at the right time can make all the difference. Geographical and cultural factors in academic achievement. Asian students' aptitude for math has often been attributed to cultural factors. Asian languages teach numbers in a way that may encourage mathematical ability, and rice farming, a staple crop in Asia, requires traits essential for solving complex mathematical problems. Additionally, a culture of hard work and patience, stemming from rice farming's direct relationship between effort and reward, persists in Asia today. Research has shown that this persistence may explain why students in Western countries tend to give up on math problems sooner than their Eastern counterparts. It's important to recognize the significant role that geopolitical and cultural factors play in shaping academic achievements. The importance of recognizing cultural legacy in success and failure. Recognizing cultural legacy is crucial for success and failure, be it in business or aviation. Korean Air's safety record before 2000 was disastrous, with a crash rate over 17 times the industry average, possibly due to the Asian predisposition for math. In Korean culture, authority figures are highly respected, making it difficult for lower-ranking crew members to correct a captain's mistakes. This communication failure led to a fatal crash. Korean Air addressed this cultural legacy problem by improving communication skills, resulting in a transformed safety record. Acknowledging and addressing cultural legacy can lead to success and prevent failure. Recognizing uneven playing fields can lead to more opportunities for success. To level the playing field and increase opportunities for success, we must recognize the factors contributing to advantages and disadvantages. Unfortunately, current methods of talent development often result in only a few outliers succeeding, such as in hockey, where children born early in the year have an unfair advantage due to the annual cutoff dates. It's unfair for children to suffer due to factors outside of their control, such as birth date. This problem isn't limited to sports either. In many cases, resources and opportunities go to those who are already privileged, leaving others at a disadvantage. For example, in education, children from wealthier families often have access to better schools and more resources, giving them an advantage over their less privileged peers. However, if we recognize these uneven playing fields and their causes, we can work to create more equal opportunities for everyone. For example, instead of using annual cutoff dates in hockey, we could divide players into smaller age groups to reduce the relative age advantage. Similarly, in education, we can create programs like the KIPP Academy in South Bronx, which offers a rigorous education to students from low-income families, resulting in high levels of success for its students. By recognizing and addressing the reasons behind these inequalities, we can create a more level playing field for everyone and give more people the opportunity to succeed. We hope this video provided valuable insights and information for you. What is more important to achieve success, practical intelligence or natural abilities? Let us know in the comments. And if you learned something new in this video, make sure to hit the button and subscribe for more videos. Thank you, and until next time.